Cancer, a leading cause of death worldwide, is a complex disease that can be influenced by lifestyle factors, including diet. Research suggests that a significant percentage of all cancers can be prevented by appropriate diets, physical activity, and maintenance of appropriate body weight. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can help lower the risk of many cancers. Here are the top 10 foods that can help fight and prevent cancer. Leafy greens. Leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, romaine, arugula, Swiss chard, and collards are rich in carotenoids, which act as antioxidants and boost the body's defenses. Beans. Beans are a great source of fiber and plant-based protein. They're also rich in various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Nuts. Nuts are packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They also contain a variety of antioxidants and compounds that may help protect against cancer. Whole grains. Whole grains are a good source of fiber and contain many important nutrients. Studies have shown that a diet high in fiber may help reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. Cruciferous vegetables. This group includes broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. They contain sulforaphane, a plant compound with anti-cancer properties. Berries. Berries are rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers. They also contain antioxidants like anthocyanins, which may have anti-cancer properties. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of lycopene, an antioxidant that may help prevent prostate cancer. Garlic. Garlic and other allium vegetables such as onions and leeks contain powerful anti-cancer compounds. Turmeric. This spice contains curcumin, a chemical that has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called polyphenols, which may help prevent various types of cancer. Remember, no single food can prevent cancer by itself. It's the overall pattern of your diet that matters. A diet filled with a variety of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, and other plant foods can help lower your risk for many cancers. It's also important to maintain a healthy weight, be physically active, and limit your intake of alcohol, processed meats, red meats, and sugar-sweetened drinks. In addition to these foods, certain herbs and spices, such as cayenne pepper, saffron, oregano, and cinnamon, have been found to have anti-cancer properties. Including these in your diet can add flavor and health benefits. Lastly, remember that the benefits of these foods are most potent when they are part of a balanced diet. For example, one study showed that a combination of tomato and broccoli was more effective at slowing tumor growth than either tomato or broccoli alone. So, aim for a colorful, varied diet for the best protection against cancer. We also taught a recipe with turmeric that has potent anti-cancer properties here on the channel. If you want to learn how to make it, click on the video that is appearing above.